So we're doing 3.5, multiplying problem solving by money. And so the first thing I do is I wrote down number 1. It says Brandy buys 6 packs of party favors. So guys, my multiplier is going to be 6. And the cost of it is $3.49. I need to multiply 6 times 4, $3.49. So hopefully everybody's doing that. You're going to write your answer right here, but I am not done. Because now, once I get that answer, I need to add the sales tax to it. And my sales tax is $1.26. To get your final answer. Okay? Any questions? Okay. Hopefully, this is what you did. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, my pen's going to run out on me, so we'll get a different one. Okay, number 2 says Hector sells books at a garage sale. The cost of the books is $2.75 each. On Saturday, he sells 3 books, and on Sunday, he sells 7 books. 3 plus 7. Guys, whenever you have a number next to a parentheses, it means to multiply. So do I know what 3 plus 7 is?
Yes.
10. And I'm going to multiply that by $2.75. Okay? Please make sure you're working these out and showing your steps. If you missed it, what should you do? Okay, let's look at number 3. Okay. Number 3 says the original price of a case of paper is $12.88. The case of printer paper is on sale, guys. When it said I'm multiplying that by 0 and 5/10, really what I'm doing is I'm taking half price. We're going to sell $12.88 for half price. Now remember, how many places is my decimals? 1, 2, 3. A lot of you had the right number of digits, but your decimals were in the wrong place. Remember, make sure you do 3 hops and do not line up your decimals with multiplication. Right? Are we good? Okay, so you're going to find that answer. Once you get that answer, you're going to put it right down here, and you're going to multiply it by 5 cases. Now, that's a whole number 5. So whatever this was up here, you got to multiply it by 5. Whole number 5. Okay, we still doing okay? Okay, let's look at number 4. Number 4 says Jordan has $14.56 in her wallet. Nico has 3 times as much money as Jordan, times 3. That's going to be Nico's amount. So then I'm going to take Nico's amount. Everybody knows what I do when I put the box here, right? It's just transferring what we got up here right there. And Avery is going to have $5.25 more than Nico. The question is, how much money does Avery have? You writing these down?
I got that one.
Okay. All right. You ready to move on?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's look at number 6 because we did number 5 in class. Number 6. Number 6 says Letitia buys a magazine and rents 2 movies. Okay, the first thing, I'm going to write 2 movies times, what was the price of the movie rentals? $4.95. And I'm going to have to find the cost of 2 movie rentals. That's the first thing I'm going to find. The next thing, it says the magazines cost $5.99. How many magazines did she buy? Just 1. So I'm going to take my cost of my movies, and I'm going to add $4.95. Or, no, yeah. And find my answer. Oh, does that make sense? No, sir. Okay. We're looking at number 7. Number 7. Everybody okay? Here we go. Number 7. This one you have to be real careful about. Number 7. Okay. Number 7 says that you're going to have Sam and Justin. And Sam and Justin are going to rent a bike for 4 hours. And the cost of the bike is $4.35 per hour. So let me scoot this down just a little. 4 times $4.35. Okay. That should be the first thing you do. And remember, guys, okay, whatever I get there, it says that I need to multiply that by, am I multiplying or am I adding? Okay. All right, but first, once I get this one, how many people are we talking about? 2. So whatever that number is, I need to multiply that by 2 people, Sam and Justin. Some of us forgot that step. Okay? Now, I've only done down to this part right here. Okay? After I get that amount, I'm going to take that amount, and this time I'm going to add their tandem bicycle, which is $6.75 to get my final answer. Okay. Do you see where you missed it? Okay. We're going to do number 8. Number 8. So has everybody got number 7 copied down like you're supposed to? Okay. 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 All right. Let's look at number 7. Number 7 says Kevin spends $19.99 at the mall. Amir spends $2.99 more than Kevin. So here's Kevin's amount, $19.99, plus Amir's. Okay, so you're adding up those 2. Okay, now that I've got that part done, and I've only done just the little bit right here, the first sentence, or the first 2 sentences, Raul spends twice as much as Amir. So I've got to take what Amir spent and multiply it by what? 2. My final question is, how much did Raul spend? Check your decimal placement. Check your decimal placement. Okay? All right. Okay, any questions?